If you had to pick the safest, most trusted banks in the US, the kind you trust with everything, which ones come to mind? Today we're counting down the top 5 banks in America, the real financial heavyweights that shape the economy, protect your money, and offer services that go beyond just a savings account. Stick around, because one of them might surprise you. Number 1. JP Morgan Chase. As of 2025, JP Morgan Chase is number 1 by total assets in the US, with roughly $3.8 to $3.9 trillion under management, far ahead of any other bank. It combines massive financial strength, serving governments, big corporations, and everyday customers, with a huge branch and ATM network. For ordinary folks, that means your money is housed in a bank that's deeply embedded in the US economy, stable, reliable, and unlikely to disappear overnight. If you want the biggest, safest bank with global reach, Chase is the heavyweight champion. Number 2. Bank of America. Bank of America holds the second largest amount of assets in the US banking system, around $2.6 to $2.7 trillion as of 2025. It has thousands of branches and offers a broad range of services: personal banking, business banking, mortgages, investment services, and more. Its size and reach make it an easy go-to for people who travel or move often, or want widespread ATM/branch access across states. For someone who wants a trusted full-service bank with convenience almost everywhere in the US, Bank of America is a top choice. Number 3. Citibank. Citibank ranks among the largest US banks by assets, placing high in 2025 rankings. It has a strong global presence, which can be especially useful for international banking, overseas transfers, good for expats, global travelers, or anyone with international financial ties. For those who value global banking connectivity and ease of international transactions, Citibank often stands out. If you are globally mobile, or want an American bank that plays well internationally, Citibank might be your ideal partner. Number 4. Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo consistently ranks among top US banks by asset size and maintains one of the largest branch/ATM networks nationwide. Its widespread presence makes it particularly convenient for many Americans. Broadly available services, physical branches almost everywhere, and a historical legacy. For those who maybe live in smaller towns or move across states, Wells Fargo's reach can make day-to-day banking easier. If you want the comfort of a widely available bank, one that's easy to access no matter where you are, Wells Fargo remains a strong candidate. Number 5. US Bank. US Bank, though smaller than the giants above, still ranks among the top 5 to 6 largest US banks by assets, in the ballpark of $650 to $680 billion as of recent 2025 data. For people preferring a bank that is large and stable, but perhaps with slightly less bureaucracy or different customer culture, US Bank can hit the sweet spot. Also, for customers seeking a balance of decent network size and personalized service, a bank like US Bank can be appealing. If you want reliability, a strong institution, but something maybe more manageable than a megabank, US Bank could be just right. So, which one of these banks would you pick if you had the power to choose today? Or maybe you've already used one of them. Tell me, what's your experience been like? Drop a comment below. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more finance and money-related content, and don't forget to click the bell so you won't miss future videos.